If Google were a superhero, today's news would be the entire Avengers team. We've got AI, cybersecurity smackdowns, password updates, leadership insights, and even interactive doodles. Buckle up. First up, we've got to talk about AI. Google is ramping up its efforts to dominate the AI space, and they're doing it with some serious chutzpah. Google is moving fast with its AI initiatives, but also hitting the brakes when necessary. CEO Sundar Pichai recently chatted about the company's balancing act of pushing boundaries while maintaining responsibility. Remember the Gemini blunder earlier this year that churned out some historically inaccurate images? Yeah, Google doesn't want a repeat of that fiasco. They're juggling speed with precision to avoid those oops moments in the future, because AI's impact on search, ads, and consumer products is massive. Speaking of AI, Google isn't just stopping at integrating it into search. Nope, they're bringing AI directly into your devices. At Google's I/O 2024, we learned about the Gemini Nano model powering AI on Android. This means your favorite apps could soon perform nifty AI tricks without ever needing an internet connection. Imagine your phone becoming smarter, and maybe even sassier by the minute. Now let's switch gears to Google's strategic jabs at Microsoft. Oh boy, the search giant is taking Microsoft's cybersecurity blunders and turning them into a marketing goldmine. Google is offering sweet deals for government and corporate customers to jump ship from Microsoft Office to Google Workspace. They're even dishing out 18 months free for corporate customers who sign up for 3-year contracts. Talk about a competitive spirit. Another fun nugget from Google's treasure chest is the Material 3 redesign for Google Password Manager. They're bringing a shiny new interface with a tall bottom bar, a nifty pill-shaped search bar, and a checkup tab to keep those passwords in tip-top shape. It's like your password manager just got a makeover on a reality TV show. And if you think Google only deals with hardcore tech updates, think again. Let's give a shout out to the iconic Google Doodles. These creative illustrations have been jazzing up the Google homepage for 25 years now. From celebrating Pi Day to honoring obscure inventors, Google Doodles can make even the grumpiest morning better. The latest addition? A tutorial on how to create your own doodle, plus a student contest where the winning artwork gets a prime spot on Google's homepage. Forget about getting your name in lights. This is the digital age equivalent. Amid all this action, Google is also facing a $2.3 billion lawsuit from Axel Springer and other media groups over advertising practices. It's a bumpy road ahead, but Google shows no signs of slowing down its relentless innovation. In summary, today's Google News reads like a tech thriller with plot twists galore. AI advancements, competitive maneuvers against Microsoft, user-friendly updates, and those charming doodles. Google's on a mission, and it looks like nothing can derail this tech titan. Stay tuned, because if today is any indication, Google's going to keep us all on our toes. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.